guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna show you how to do the cat costumes. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raquel Ezagui. If you don't know me, be welcome here in my channel. And today I will share with you how to do some cat costumes. This is Shanli. Hey, hi, I am Shanli. So this is the last video of my Halloween's video. So I hope you really enjoy it. But if you didn't saw the previous ones, I really recommend you go back there and check them. I just shared with you guys some cookie decorations like this one, like a cemetery cake, and some decorations for house like this puppy king with candle inside, and other tips that I shared with you in these videos. And more than that, I have my previous videos for Halloweens from the other years. So go there and check all the links. Will be all here in the description box. Okay, you can go check all the links from all the videos. It's really easy ideas. What do you have to say about this, Shanli? Don't make this funny face. Hmm? I hope you enjoyed this video, enjoy all those videos, not just this one, and have a really nice Halloween. So let's start. Let's start, Shanli. Let's start. So guys, let's start to doing the clothes. Okay, I make a list of some ideas I had. This one I won't do because it's not like so thematic for Halloween. So I went to the Pinterest to get some inspirations. Yeah, and I have some inspirations here. Like I got some more inspirations on the Pinterest. This is Pimpinha. This is Pimpinha. This is Pimpinha. Pimpinha, Pimpinha, Pimpinha. Point, 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 point. Well, I shop some fabrics and try to do my best with what I have. Okay, so let's start. Pimpinha. I started with the head, but I didn't use any measuring in specific. I just cut the fabric in a square and was measuring in my cat's head until find a measure that I think it's fit. After that, I cut it as a triangle and made a cone, trying my cat's head always, and then I stitch all that and cut the end to be straight lining. For the other part of the head, I use the cone as a guide so I can get the measures for it. And a tip that I can give you guys, it is never cut too much of fabric. It's better you go in cutting little by little and make the adjustment you need, then you go there and cut a lot and then the fabric be too much short and you cannot go back and glue all the fabric back. So it's better you have a little bit more fabric and then go little by little, make the adjustment for the right size. In this first step of the creation, I used the ribbon on the head so I would just tie it up around the cat's neck. But since the cape would be the same idea, I think it would be too much visual information and not so easy to put on the cat. So later I just changed up the ribbons to elastic. And then with felt I will cut a lot, little stars and moons, and glue with fabric glue on the hat. And for the cape, I just measured my cat's back so I could know the long would be the cape. And I wanted a really long one as I see in the reference I use in the Pinterest. And I fold the fabric so the both sides can be exactly the same. Oh, and remember that in this neck part, it's important the cutting be around it, okay? Not straight. So in the edges of the fabric, I go just folding so I can do the hem. So then I start to make the stitch. I used a visible stitch and I use it in yellow color so I could make like a detail too. And then we go for the lining of the cape. I used a black fabric because I think it would be nice if it was black, because I could use the cape in both sides, in the blue one and the black one. But remember when you go and cut your fabric to give a little bit more of fabric than the real size, okay? So you can have space to work in the adjustments, make a nice finishing. But I made a mistake because I draw my cape too much close of the edges of the fabric, so one part of the cape was without fabric enough, but everything went okay because I had a lot extra fabric in the other sides of the cape, so I could use that to make the adjustments. A trick that you can use for rounded fabrics when you're gonna fold that, it's just give some little cut in the fabric so that would be more easy to fold it in the rounded shape. I glued the ribbon with the fabric glue, and then I used the machine to join all together the ribbon, the cape, and the collar of the cape. I used the glue all around the cape in all the boards, so I glued the black fabric with the blue one, and then I will finishing with a visible stitch all around, giving a nice finishment in the cape. And then after finishing the invisible stitch, I will just cut out more stars and moon and glue it on the cape. Well, it's finished. I already glued all the stars and moon I wanted. I put this stripe over so it can be tied on the neck. And I exchange the stripe here for elastic, a black elastic, so it's might be invisible in my cats. Yeah. If you have a white cat, so it's better put a white elastic. And that's it. And this has this black part here, but I think it can be used like in both side. You know, you can be using both side, using like a black cape or a blue with a star cape. And that's it. Well guys, this was the tips and I hope you really enjoy them. It's really fun to do. If you have cats or if you have dogs or rats or a frog, doesn't matter. You can do for any of your pets. You know, you just need to adjust the measures, but that's okay. Right, Shelly? She's fine. She just makes funny faces when we catch her on the lap. Like, what are you doing, Shelly? But I have one more thing to ask for you guys. If you make any of the tips I share here with you guys, please post a picture in the Instagram and mark me. My Instagram is this one. Charlie, are you okay? Post a picture of your creations and mark me because I would love to see these creations, okay? And share with me more ideas, please, because I do love Halloween and I would be really happy to see more ideas for the next one. Subscribe in this channel and I will be see you in the next video. And Shanli too. Right, Shanli? Oh, Shanli, don't be unsocial. See? Ooh, Shanli. A lipstick mark. Who kiss you? Who kiss you, my girl? Oops. So I see you in next video, guys, and Shelly too. So bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, guys.